Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Delshad, and today we're going to dive into something that I know you've all been curious about: how to make passive income with your crypto. Whether you're just starting out or you've been holding crypto for a while, there are some great ways to make your assets work for you instead of just sitting in your wallet. One of the simplest ways to earn passive income with crypto is by lending your assets and earning interest. Think of it as putting your money in a bank savings account, but the returns are much better. Instead of earning just a fraction of a percent, like with traditional savings accounts, you could be making 5% to 10% or more, depending on the platform and the cryptocurrency you're lending. So how does it work? Well, platforms like Crypto.com or Nexo let you deposit your crypto, and in return, they pay you interest for holding it there. This is often referred to as a crypto savings account. You're essentially loaning out your assets, and borrowers pay interest on the funds you've provided, which means regular returns for you. Now, I know what you're thinking. Aren't lending platforms the same as savings accounts? Not exactly. With crypto savings accounts, you're earning interest just for holding your funds there. But with lending platforms like Aave or Compound, you're actually lending your assets into a pool where borrowers can borrow. It's kind of like being a mini bank where you provide liquidity and earn interest from those borrowing. Of course, with higher rewards come higher risks, so make sure to choose platforms that are secure and have a strong track record. As we've seen in the past with companies like BlockFi and Celsius, even large platforms can face difficulties, so always do your own research. Another thing to keep in mind is crypto volatility. Even if you're earning a nice interest rate, a sudden drop in the value of your crypto can wipe out the gains you're making. That's why it's essential to always diversify and never invest more than you're willing to lose. Now that we've covered lending, let's move on to another popular way to generate passive income with your crypto: staking. Staking is a bit different from lending. When you stake your crypto, you're helping to keep a blockchain secure by locking up your tokens for a certain period of time. In return, you get rewarded with more tokens, and if you believe in a project and you want to hold on to your coins long term, staking can be a smart way to earn additional rewards while still holding your assets. For example, popular coins like Ethereum, Cardano, and Polkadot offer staking opportunities, and the returns can range from 5% to 20% annually. There are two main ways to stake your crypto. The first is solo staking, which requires a significant amount of the coin and a bit of technical knowledge to set it up. The second and far easier option is staking through a third-party platform, like an exchange. Many popular exchanges, such as Binance or Coinbase, allow you to stake your coins just a few clicks, taking care of the technical stuff for you. While staking is a fantastic way to earn passive income, keep in mind that if the price of the coin you're staking drops significantly, your rewards may not make up for the losses. And in some cases, staking requires you to lock up your tokens for a set period. So make sure you're comfortable with that before committing. Another underrated way to earn passive income with crypto is by holding revenue sharing or divided paying tokens. These are tokens that give you a share of the platform's profits, similar to how traditional companies pay dividends to shareholders. For example, by holding Qcoin shares, KCS, you get a daily cut of the exchange's trading fees. The more KCS you hold, the bigger your share. This is a great way to earn passive income simply by holding the token, but keep in mind that your earnings depend on how well the platform performs. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting ways to get free crypto: airdrops. Airdrops are when a project gives away free tokens to its community, often as a marketing strategy to raise awareness. Sometimes all you need to do is hold a specific coin in your wallet and you'll automatically receive free token. Other times, airdrops require you to participate more actively, like providing liquidity or using a platform. It's a fun way to potentially grow your portfolio without spending any money. In fact, some people known as airdrop hunters make a full-time income just by collecting airdrops. I'll be listing some of the top airdrop games below, so you can simply click and join the games to start earning. Closely related to airdrops are forks. A fork happens when a blockchain splits into two chains due to disagreements in the community. If you're holding the original coin when a fork happens, you often get an equal amount of the new coin for free. But there's a catch. Both chains need support from miners and validators to survive. And if one chain dies out, the coin of that chain could end up worthless. So while forks can be a nice surprise, they shouldn't be your primary investment strategy. If you want to dive deeper into forks, check out the video linked in the description below. And there you have it, some of the best ways to earn passive income with your crypto, from lending and staking to airdrops and forks. Each of these strategies come with its own set of risks, Always do your research and never invest more than you're willing to lose. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tips and strategies on how to maximize your crypto earnings. If you have any questions or thoughts, drop them in the comments below and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.